to harvest wild honey from the trees. The 68-year-old grandmother. I'm also working hard. It's really a cold sweat. Fortunately, the grandmother's body is indeed very strong. The sunny weather is perfect for going up the mountain to pick honey. The scenery here is also very pleasant. The lake is crystal clear. Just landed, and they went up the mountain in search of the beehive. The leaf that the grandmother took in her hand, similar to wormwood, ignited to find the bees above the hive. Of course, this pure green leaf cannot be ignited with the help of some dried bamboo. Has rich experience in collecting honey, and it's a very easy tool to make. It was built in a matter of minutes. Finally, the green leaves are tied to the dry, outside the withered bamboo. Try to chop the other part of the bamboo into pieces. This makes it easy to ignite. Look at the power of this smoke. The effect is great. Immediate effect. This bee is not supposed to sting. If it stings, and I'm guessing all of you here right now, that face is swollen like a pig's head. It's incredible. The 68-year-old grandmother, up the tree, I didn't lose to the young people at all. Very flexible hands and feet. Wild hives of this size are rare. And wild honey, it tastes much more delicious than hand-raised honey. And its nutritional value is also a little higher.